Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tashrita Gupta, your ACCA mentor. So I hope you guys are finally done with your June exams and I hope the exam went really well. So do comment down how was your exam. Let everyone know, and I mean everyone is almost in the same boat. So I know that right now, maybe I'm too early to post this, but I thought let's get over with this video because I was already getting so many queries. Because I guess some students, they just, as soon as they're done with their exam, the moment they're done with the exam, they just think about what to do next. So we just have a very short exam cycle, and I know deep down you guys want to enjoy and you want to go on a vacation. And I hope you are already on a vacation. But once you come back, do refer to this video so that you know that in September 2024, which exam you're supposed to pick up. So meanwhile, the June paper that has gone by, and if you have something in mind, like I am not sure if I'll pass that paper or not, when is the right time to pick up the paper? Like I will cover all the aspects here. Like when is the right time to pick up? Should I pick up a new paper after results because I'm not sure of my performance? And if I should pick up it right now or later also, which exam should I pick up? In skill level, in professional level, and in the optional papers also, what should be my mindset of picking up the papers? Now to start with, first of all, whatever your performance was, you need to move on, because moving on in life is something which is very important, whether it is studies or whether it's your relationships. You need to move on. So you can't be stick to, okay, what has happened in my paper and just thinking about it. Okay, I'm sure I'll pass. Or sometimes you're like, I'll not pass, and you're just plucking those roses and petals like, I'll pass, I'll not pass. Leave that for like 2 days before the results. That anxiety for 2 days before the results. Now, if for example, you guys have given SBR in June attempt, now you're thinking what to give next. So let's suppose you want to pick up advanced audit and assurance as your next paper. So the question arises that, ma'am, should I wait till the results of SBR or should I start with the preparation of AAA right now only? Answer to that is that please don't wait for the results of SBR, because the results will come after. I'm making this video on 8th of June. They will come around after almost like more than 1 month. So I don't want that you also pass SBR and then you also waste your 1 month. Like most probably you will pass your paper. Let's be positive, let's be optimistic. And in that case, if you will pass and you will start with audit after 15th of June or after 15th of July, that would become really hectic for you, given the, I would say, challenging trait of professional level papers. So I would highly recommend that today only you start with your preparation. Then, ma'am, what if I fail this paper when the result comes out? Then what is the benefit of taking up AAA today only? I'll pay the tuition fees. What will happen? I will study for it. Then I'll have to repick SBR. In that case, I would say that you must, on the day of result, like by 15th July, your target is any new paper that you pick, you're at least done with 50% of the syllabus of that new paper. So all my students who are studying with me, whether it's FR, SBR or AAA, I keep this mindset with them in my planners, which will be very soon out on the YouTube channel. The orientations are going to happen. You can find the link to register for the orientations. But in all my orientations, I'm going to give you a plan as per which, whether you follow me or you don't follow me, but you can follow the plan, right? So you can follow that plan and target to complete 50% of your syllabus minimum by the day of the result. Now, if I pass SBR, then also see that's the road is clean. Now you can pick up another paper also if you want. Like if you want to be swift and you're a full-time student, then you can pick up two papers and get done with them. Otherwise, if you're not done with SBR, for example, you fail that paper, then it's very simple that what I'll do is I would just simply, uh, I've done 50% of AAA, so I'll pick up AAA also and I'll reattempt SBR also. So that is my suggestion to you, that you should be that confident in the paper that you will pick up now, that even after results, if the things are not favorable, we can go ahead with both of them. So you need to think about it prudently, right? Like a commercial acumen is there, that I have made a loss by failing a paper. So I need to, buckle up myself and I need to actually make it up. So I already am late by 3 months. I can't delay my another paper also and bear that loss. So you are hedging your risk today only if you start with your preparation now. That's my first thing. And it's not something I'm saying for the sake of saying. There are hundreds of people that are already enrolled and they are already started their preparation. So if you are late, you should think about it, that when to start. Sooner you start, better it is. Now, which exam should I pick up? See, I just teach SBR, FR, and AAA. But I'm going to tell you about every exam, like which exam you should give first and which exam is like good pair. So, for example, in skill level, you've just given PM. I would recommend you the next paper is FM. If you've given FR, I would recommend the next paper should be AA. If you have given TX, now that is something which is okay, like it is not related to any other paper, so that's fine. But if you want to start with your skill level, then please start with the FR paper, that is financial reporting, or F7. And I have a solid reason for it, because I believe everyone who's from commerce background, they have some kind of love for accounting. They have some kind of familiarity with accounting, which is not there for PM, FM, SBL. It's just for accounts. So I would highly recommend that you please give your FR paper first in the skill level. Now, which exam should I give in professional level first? So we have two professional papers which are compulsory, SBR and SBL. And then we have to choose two out of these four optional papers, which is AAA, that is advanced audit, APM, which is like dad of PM, okay? So performance management, advanced performance management, AFM, which is like an advanced version of financial management, and ATX, which is again an advanced version of TX. Now, what factor should I consider before deciding that which paper should I pick up? You should first consider, I always say this, that the first ever consideration needs to be given is to your liking. My friend said AAA is very difficult. My friend said AAA has the scope more in market. Well, that is something what friends are saying, society is saying. You can't base your decision on that. You need to see in life also what suits you. What as a person you are, whether AAA suits you or not. So if you liked AA, if you liked SBR, that is when you will like AAA also. So you will pick up AAA only if you have liking for it. Same for APM, same for AFM, same for ATX. Second, if you're neutral in this, like you don't have a liking, you're like, okay, whatever. Sometimes some people, if you ask them, what do you want to eat? And they're like, anything. And then they're like, not this, not that. So if, you are genuinely a person who would eat anything, who would give any exam, then in that case, I would say go for the pass percentage. Why to unnecessarily trouble yourself and put yourself in the pressure when you're not getting any outcome? As per the pass percentage, the best papers are AFM and ATX, because AAA and APM have very low pass percentage. Then ma'am, why do so many people give AAA? I'll give you the reason for it, because that's the third reason, that is market demand. Now if you ask me that, ma'am, if I get employed, what would an employer look into my CV? If you're going into the audit field and if you're not given AAA paper, that would land you in a trouble. Like, you won't have that knowledge, the knowledge that we give, or we actually portray in our AAA paper, that is next level. The application that we learn, the skepticism, the judgment that we learn. So that is only possible if you've given advanced audit and assurance. And same applies to if you go and work in the taxation sector, if you want to start your own business, where you want to work for the clients who are there in UK, you should know the UK taxation. So ATX is also very important. You should know how to plan tax for your clients. So you should know audit, you should know ATX. APM and AFM are quite theoretical subjects. Like APM, I would say, is a little bit theoretical, but AFM is number crunching, but like not so specialized. So taxation and audit, if you look at any professional who's giving their who are doing a practice, like they're doing their own business. So that's what they need. They need audit, like they need how to audit, and they should know what is the UK taxation laws, and they should know how to plan tax for a client. So with that mindset, many people give AAA as their paper in optional, Otherwise, they usually choose AFM together with AAA. That's what I chose as well. But I don't want to create any biasedness in you, so I leave this decision on to you. These are the factors you'll consider. These things that I've said about AFM or AAA or ATX or APM, these are from my perspective. And I said, before beginning this video, I said it's about you. It's not about your friend, it's not about your mom, it's not about your dad, it's about you. What you like. Correct? So based upon your liking, pass percentage, I gave you the pass percentage, best papers are these, and market perspective, AAA and ATX are the best. That's now up to you. So that's how you choose your optional paper. Now out of these four, like let's suppose you chose AFM, like I chose AFM and AAA. Now out of these four papers, which paper should I give and which paper I should pair up? I would definitely pair up SBR and Advanced Audit and Assurance. I recently uploaded a very unique reel on that these two paper actually goes together like bread and butter, because I'm teaching SBR and it's like you study IFRS and then you test as an auditor, you check whether the financial statements are actually prepared as per IFRS or not. So you actually use your entire SBR knowledge in AAA. So they are like very well gelled together. So yes, this is the best combination, and if you have recently given SBR, then pick up AAA next. You can't give AAA before SBR, that's a fact. Okay. Then SBL and AFM are good combinations, and even SBL and APM are very good combinations. And again, ATX is totally like secluded from whole of this discussion because it's totally different and it's totally like unique paper. So this is what I wanted to share with you, like which paper you should pick up, what are the best combinations. And by 15th of July, we all need to complete the 50% of any new paper that we pick up. So for FR, for SBR, for AAA, you have just one-stop solution. You stay here. I'm going to give you the planners and everything because that's what I teach. For other papers, you can look out for the best tutors. If you want to do self-study, then also, even for these papers, if you want to do self-study, I'm not saying enroll with me. I'm saying if you want to do self-study also, I will be giving out the plans here itself. So stay tuned for that. Very soon we'll begin. I just wanted to make a mindset that should I start with the preparation now or not? And if yes, which paper to pick up? So I hope I clarified lots of your doubt. I would request if you have any further doubts, please feel free to ask those in the comment section. So thank you. I hope this was a helpful video. See you in the next one.